Hello everyone, we're here in the Road Scholar showroom and we're here to do a deep dive on this 1961 356B Super 90 GT, one of the 14 made. 1960 they made 4 of these, and then 1961 they made 9 of these. This car was built and ordered for Harry Bengtsson, known as Rally Harry, a gentleman who lived in Sweden who rally raced this and finished 7 out of 9 races on the podium. His ultimate victory, the Midnight Sun Rally, he finished first in class and second overall in 1962. But this car has an amazing documentation, paperwork going back to that era, its subsequent owners in Sweden and recent times as well. This car having just finished a restoration of a paint job and drivetrain rebuild by Coachworks in Victoria, Canada, an incredible shop, well known in the Porsche community. And this is one of the best driving 356s we've had in general come to the shop over the years. The Super 90 GT is one of my favorite 356 variants of all time. That being because it's 200 pounds lighter than the production car and even 150 pounds lighter than its cousin, the Carrera GT that came with the 4-cam race motor. This obviously has the Super 90 engine, so it gives up a little bit in power, but it makes up for it in its light weight. Now, all 14 of these GTs started off as a Carrera GT body, so it has from the factory these aluminum panels, the hood, the doors, and the louvered engine lid in the back. It also has plexiglass windows, front quarter glass, side glass, quarter glass, and even the rear window is plexiglass. You can see these factory stamps, the correct stamps here, and how nice the gaps are on this car as well. One of the distinguishing features of GT cars, of course, are the roll bar. Bring it in. The GT seats with the higher profile sides, lightweight. Spider mirror. And we'll open up the front trunk. Also, all GT cars most of the time came with the 80-liter gas tank as well. You can see here, I'm going to open this, look how light that is. You can't tell in the video, but it's super light being aluminum. Has the correct rivets construction on the front hood. And there's that 80-liter gas tank. This car also has 5 date stamps KPZ GT alloy steel wheels that only came on the GT cars. Something that's not easy to find in today's world. A question I get often on this car or 356B Carrera GTs or Super 90 GT is why is there no hood handle? Porsche, trying to eliminate weight, did not install hood handles on most of these cars. Something that some people have FOMO about and want to put a hood handle, but that's actually not correct when most of these were delivered from the factory. You can also see this car was delivered ruby red from the factory, one of my personal favorite colors. It's such a rich red. It's done in this livery as Harry raced it, but also delivered with my favorite, the mouse gray corduroy interior. Sets off the ruby red so well. Just a lovely, awesome color combination. And if we come to the rear, one of the distinguishing factors or looks of a GT that we see on so many Outlaws, of course, is the clean look of no bumperettes, just a simple, clean deco strip. No side molding on the rockers, and of course, the famous louvers of an alloy engine lid. This car, sadly, does not have its original Super 90 engine, but it has a correct type Super 90 engine. I've wheeled and dealed a number of Super 90 GTs. We've personally bought 2 of them over the years and sold them, but I've inspected many other cars. Very rare to have its original Super 90 engine. So to me, that's not a minus, but it has the correct type engine and transmission. And this car, I cannot express enough about the Super 90 GT models, how fun they are to drive. They feel nimble. They feel even quicker than a Carrera GT variant. That's probably not true, but it just feels that way. I love these cars, and you can drive them cross country. You can do the Colorado Grand. You can go to Cars and Coffee. It's the usability, again, of the Super 90 GT model, in my opinion, that makes it so compelling. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive on this Super 90 GT for Bring a Trailer and our 5th installment of Group P.